folks. I'm out here at the Lake Erie Bluffs State Park. It's cloudy, windy, chilly, a little bit rainy. My plan is to hike out to the lake and set up a trail cam to do a time-lapse video capture over the next day or two. Because starting at midnight tonight, we're supposed to get some serious lake effect snow, and it's just gonna keep on coming. So let's get ourselves out to the lake and set up our camera. All right, we've entered the woods. We're not far from the lake at all. It's a short hike. This is a great park though for longer exploration. Lots of trails near and far from the lake here. I'm gonna get pretty close to it and look for a spot off trail to set up my trail cam so no one messes with it, because this is a somewhat frequently hiked park. It's pretty nice. It's like a hidden gem of the area, Northwest Pennsylvania. We have Presque Isle State Park not far from here. A 20-30 minute drive depending on traffic, which is beautiful. It's nice, great for summertime. But this provides a little bit more of a rugged experience by the lake. There's some fishing areas, a lot of fishermen come around here. But we're just here to get some footage. So let's keep going until we get to a good spot. Just through the trees there, that's the lake. But we're up on a bit of a cliffside. You'll see when we get close. It's not quite beach territory. Oh, it's always windy down here. A little chilly, a little windy. Not too bad today though. We're in the 40s, I believe. Plus wind, I guess. So here we are at the bluffs. Pretty far away down. There's a trail here that comes right along the edge in this area. Take a quick look from this point, and then I'm gonna try to find a place to set up my trail cam. So I think I forgot to mention at the top of the video that today is Thanksgiving Day, actually. Thanksgiving morning currently. And so if you do follow weather for this region, you'd probably be aware that we've got the snow coming tonight, like I mentioned, after midnight sometime. But yeah, well, Thanksgiving morning hike. Right now it's wet and gloomy. Later tonight it's gonna turn white and snowy. Okay, I've been walking along this cliffside here for a while, looking for a good spot for my camera, and I think I'm gonna climb down to this second ridge area and then find a spot down in there, or maybe up in here. So first I gotta get down there. It's a little steep and slippery, but I think I can get myself down right here. Okay, I made it down to this next level here. Kind of just slid my way down this ridge, and I'm down here. So I'm gonna go this way and see if I can find a good spot to set up my camera. I didn't really think about how I'm gonna get out of here. It's gonna be a lot harder to go up that than slide down it, but I'll figure it out. The roots on this tree, crazy. Okay, I picked a spot for my camera and I'm gonna get that set up. Okay, show you where my camera is. Try not to slip all the way down, but I got it here. There she is. And we're looking out at the lake. And hopefully we'll see that lake effect snowstorm come right in. I'm gonna leave it out here for at least a day, maybe two. Come back and get it, make the video, and show y'all. But for now, I gotta figure out how to climb up out of here. Okay, made it up without too much terrible difficulty. Mark this tree, it's a little orange. That's where I went down. The camera's way over in there somewhere. Just gonna do a quick walk by to see if it's noticeable at all. I don't think so. I think if anyone went down there and found that camera, they deserve it. Kind of a pain in the butt. It's kind of just beyond this fallen tree. Yeah, I can like just sort of see it on there, but only if I know that I'm looking for it. So I don't think anyone's gonna find it. I hope we get some cool footage out of that. Back in a couple of days to find out. But for now, I gotta go home and start cooking Thanksgiving dinner. Whew. Okay, so it's been almost a full 2 weeks since I came out here to leave my camera for the time-lapse. This is the first chance I have to get out here. I actually tried a few days ago, but the snow where I'm walking now, it was about knee deep, very heavy, nearly impossible to get through. I had to wait a few more days. It warmed up. It's been raining. You can see now we still have lots of snow, but it's been melting. It's a sloppy mess, but I can get through it at least and get my camera back. So I'm really hoping the footage is worth all this trouble. If you've been following the national weather news or my channel, you may have seen that we recently got a huge snowstorm the day after Thanksgiving. Got dumped with several feet of snow all in a day, and then it just kept coming for a few more days after. So I was stranded at home for a good 3-4 days before they got the roads even kind of plowed. and then took another couple of days to get them fully plowed. And yeah, I tried to come out here and it was just no good. So here we are. Let's go get our camera. It's cold, rainy, windy. It's supposed to drop in temperature and start snowing again later today. So this is my little pocket of time to get out here. I think I'll go ahead and stop the chit chat and just get out there and get the camera. Looks like this tree here fell down since last time we were here. Right up out of the ground over here. It's broke at the roots. It's been somewhat recent. See all the debris splattered and falling around. It's pretty neat. Okay, we're almost to the tree line. Let's keep going. Oh, what do you know? The rain just turned into snow. Look at this. This all came down from the storm because the trail goes right here along the edge, right into it. To navigate myself around it. Oh, really deep snow back here still. This is kind of just a cool little spot, the way all these branches falling with the vines. It's really impressive. I think we can just squeeze right through here though. Oh yeah, looks like someone else did. I can see some prints in the snow. Okay, let's get around the other side. Let's take a look. Huh, it's a little tricky walking though. It's very deep. Look at that. That big tree from the other side just ripped right up. All right, we still got to get to our camera. Keep getting distracted. Alright, I see my little orange marker I left. This is where I went down. My trail cam should be down there, so I'm gonna have to shimmy down this little embankment here. Okay, safely made it down the ravine behind me, cliff, whatever. And I'm heading to my camera. Okay, it's still there. There it is. Let me get it down. Okay, so I've got my camera back and I'm pretty excited because I thought it would die after a couple of days. I just get like maybe a day, 2, maybe 3 days worth of time lapse, but it was still running, still had a little bit of battery. So it's been presumably taking time-lapse for 2 weeks. So I'm pretty excited to get home, check out this footage, get it edited, get this video put together. So I'm gonna pack you guys up in my backpack so I can climb up this cliff. I'm gonna hike on out of here, get home, and check out this footage. So enjoy 2 weeks of time-lapse footage from Erie Bluffs State Park, right here on the bluffs, the cliffs of Lake Erie during a snowstorm and beyond.
Summer's almost over, it flew by in the blink of an eye. Now I'm older and one day closer to dying. So I'll soak up this last bit of sunshine, let clouds roll and pretend everything is fine. You can't fight the seasons change, it'll drive you insane, it'll only bring you pain. Springtime was long ago and long forgotten are all the joys they brought me. I tried to remember oh, who I was and who I always wanted to be. I'll soak up this last bit of sunshine, let clouds roll and pretend everything is fine. You can't fight the seasons change, it'll drive you insane, it'll only bring you pain. Leaves are changing color now and winter's surely on the way. Times will grow tougher and bones grow brittle with age. You can't stop time without magical powers. Though I've tried and wasted so many hours, can't seem to find a spell that guarantees I won't end up in hell. So I'll soak up this last bit of sunshine, let clouds roll and pretend everything is fine. You can't fight the seasons change, it'll drive you insane, it'll only bring you pain.
Let me know in the comments if you like that, and if you want to see more time-lapse videos like that. I kind of like doing it, so let me know if you want to see it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, share it, tell your friends and family, your enemies, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.